Well, everybody, I am done with the bed. I put lamps on it, and anyways, it's big. It's big. It takes half of my bedroom up. It's just queen size. But there she is. That's my dogs up in there, Lucille and Blanket, waiting. They're all waiting for me to go to bed. They're give out, and so am I. But anyways, I just wanted to show you that my bed is finished. It is done. Let me see if I turn the light on, see if you can see it a little bit better. There you go. There you go. That's the big A. There's a little A down there. You can't really see it. But anyways, that's it, guys. That is me bed. And it is a big one. And I am proud of myself. And I give praise to the good Lord that He gave me the ability to be able to make things and use my hands and recycle stuff, and everything, because I believe in waste not, want not. But anyways, I praise the good Lord for all that, because if it wasn't for Him, I wouldn't know how to do this. I mean, He gives you an ability to do things, and sometimes we don't take these, take what He gives us and use them, and it's a shame because, if we use what God gives us, we're going to be a lot better off. And but anyways, I love Him. I love Him with all my heart, and I love Him with all my soul. And this old gal is really tired. Yeah, 65 years old. I always wanted the log bed. Thanks to the good Lord, I got one now, and it didn't cost me a penny. That's my little tubby terrier. We call them things. I like them. And see, I collect little singing and dancing animals. I love Elmo or whatever his name is. I got one that does the hokey pokey, and the other one laughs himself until he falls down, and then I got one that just talks and sings and tells stories, and then I got a Mickey Mouse that does the splits and does rock and roll, and an Elmo that does rock and roll, and a little dog that does that. I'm sexy and I know it. Da 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 da. That is cute as a far. I like that one. But anyways, that's this is my room. This is my bed, and I am happy, and I am done with it. But anyways, I love y'all. Good night. See you sometime or another. And don't forget, God loves you better than anything and anybody. And He will always take care of you, and He will always be beside you and walk with you hand in hand if you just let Him. I love y'all. Good night. See you soon.